Good morning, children. Welcome back to our math session. Today's topic is exercise 9.5, question number 6, 7, and 8 of chapter 9, algebraic expressions and identities. So, let we start. So, let we start our first question. Here, that is question number 6, using identities, then evaluate. Here, first question is 71 square. Here we have to use identity. So for that we can split the number as distributive property. How to split? We are doing the number nearest to 0 digit number 71. The nearest 0 digit of 71 is 70. Right? So how could we split the number 71? We can write as 70 plus 1. Isn't it? So 71 square can be written as 70 plus 1 whole square. That means here we got A and B. That means A plus B whole square. That is our first identity. So in this question we are using our first identity, that is A plus B whole square. That is equal to A square plus 2AB plus B square. So here A is 70 and B is 1. So 70 whole square plus 2 into 70 into 1, that is 2AB plus 1 square, that is B square. So 7 7 are 49. Here 1 0 is there. 4 square, 2 zeros will come. So 4900 plus 2 into 70, 140 into 1, 140 plus 1 square, 1. So total 5041. So the answer of 71 square is equal to 5041. Now second one is 99 square. 99 is nearest to 100, right? So 100 minus 1 is equal to 99. So we can write it as like this: 99 square is equal to 100 minus 1 whole square. Means here we got A and B and in between minus sign. That means our second identity, that is A minus B whole square. So A minus B whole square is equal to A square minus 2AB plus B square. Here A is 100, B is 1. So 100 square minus 2 into 100 into 1 plus 1 square. 100 square means in 100 2 zeros are there. So square will be 4 zeros should be there. Right? Minus 2 into 100 into 1. 2 into 100, 200. 200 into 1, 200 itself. Plus 1 square. That is 1 into 1, 1. Now 10,000. First we have to add, then subtract. So 10,000 plus 1, 10,001 minus 200, that is equal to 9,801. So the answer of 99 square is 9,801. Okay. Now let's do third one. Third question is 102 square. So here nearest is 0 number of 102, that is 100. Means 102 can be written as 100 plus 2. Right? Means 102 square we can write as 100 plus 2 whole square. That means A plus B whole square. That is our first identity. So A plus B whole square is equal to A square plus 2AB plus B square. So here what is A? A is 100 and what is B? B is 2. So 100 square plus 2 into 100 into 2 means 2AB plus 2 square, that is B square. So 100 square means in 100 2 zeros are there. So in square 4 zeros will come. So 10,000 plus 2 into 100, 200 into 2, 400. Yeah, otherwise 2 2 ja 4, 4 into 100, 400. Then plus 2 into 2. 2 square, that is 4. Now add it together. 10,000 plus 400 plus 4. Total 10,404. So therefore the answer of 102 square is equal to 10,404. Now fourth question, 998. 998 is the nearest 0 digit of 1000. Right? Means we will get 1000 minus 2 is equal to 998. So we can write it like this: 998 square is equal to 1000 minus 2 whole square. Here we can write A minus B whole square, that is equal to A square minus 2AB plus B square. Here A is 1000 and B is 2. So 1000 square minus 2 into 1000 into 2 plus 2 square. 1000 3 zeros are there, right? And in the square 6 zeros will come, double. So here 10 lakh minus 2 to 4 into 1000, 4000 plus 2 to the 4. So first add 4 with the 10 lakh, then subtract 4,000. So 10 lakh 4 minus 4,000 is equal to 9 lakh 96,004. So the answer of 998 square is equal to 9 lakh 96,004. Clear? Now, question number 5. 5.2 square. So 5.2 can be written as 5 plus 0.2, right? So 5.2 square is equal to 5 plus 0.2 whole square. That means a plus b whole square, first identity. So a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So here what is a? A is 5, and what is b? B is 0.2. So let's do 5 square plus 2 into 5 into 0.2 plus 0.2 square. So 5 5 are 25 plus 2 5 are 10, 10 into 0.2, 10 2 are 20. So 2.0. So 0 will cut it there. So only 2 will write. Plus 0.2 into 0.2. That is equal to 0.04. Now add it together. 25 plus 2, 27 plus 0.04, that is equal to 27.04. So the answer of 5.2 square is 27.04. Now sixth question. 297 into 303. So here two numbers are there. So we have to split both the numbers. But it should be like this. Both the numbers are nearest to same 0-digit number. So here we can see that 303, that is 300 plus 3, right? Same way 297, that is also nearest to 300. How could we? 300 minus 3. So we got here A and B, both are having the same number, isn't it? So A minus B and A plus B. So which identity? Our third identity, that is A minus B into A plus B is equal to A square minus B square. So here 300 minus 3 into 300 plus 3. So our A is 300 and B is 3. So we can write A square, that is 300 whole square, minus B square, that is 3 square. 3 3 are 9, 2 zeros are there. So in the square 4 zeros will come. So 90,000 minus 3 square 9. So 90,000 minus 9 is equal to 89,991. So the answer of 297 into 303 is equal to 89,991. Clear? Now, question number 7. 78 into 82. So the nearest 0-digit number of 78 and 82 are 80, right? So 78 can be written as 80 minus 2. Same way 82 can be written as 80 plus 2. So here we got A and B. How? 80 minus 2 into 80 plus 2 means A minus B into A plus B is equal to A square minus B square. So we can use here our third identity. Here what is A? A is equal to 80 and B is equal to 2. So A square, that means 80 square, minus B square, that is 2 square. So 8 8 is 64 and 2 0. So 6,400 minus 2 square, that is 4. So 6,400 minus 4 is equal to 6,396. So 78 into 82 is equal to 6,396. Now question number 8. 8.9 square. So 8.9 can be written as 9 minus 0.1, right? So here A minus B whole square. A minus B whole square is our second identity. So A minus B whole square is equal to A square minus 2AB plus B square. Here A is 9, B is 0.1. So 9 square minus 2 into 9 into 0.1 plus 0.1 square. 9 9 are 81 minus 2 9 are 18, 18 into 1, 18. But we have to put the decimal. So that is equal to 1.8 plus 0.1 into 0.1, that is equal to 1 1 are 1. So putting decimal 0.01. Now we can add it together. First add 81.01, 81 plus 0.01, then subtract minus 1.8. So we will get 79.21. So 8.9 square will be 79.21. Okay. Now, question number 9, that is 1.05 into 9.5. Here this question we are doing in two methods. Means first without identity, then second same number we are using identity also. First one symbol same as it is the multiplication of binomial with the help of distributive property. Okay, so 1.05 can be written as 1 plus 0.05 and 9.5 can be written as 10 minus 0.5. Because here we will not get a means 10 in both the cases, because first one is 1.05. Instead of that, if it is 10.5, then we will get the third identity. Okay, so but here 1.05 is given. So that is why we split like this. Now we can do as a multiplication of binomial with the help of distributive property. So 1 into 10 minus 0.5 plus 0.05 into 10 minus 0.5. So 1 into 10 minus 1 into 0.5 plus 0.05 into 10 minus 0.05 into 0.5. So 1 into 10 is 10 minus 1 into 0.5, that is 0.5, plus again 0.05 into 10. Point will come one number right. So 0.5 minus 5 into 5, 25, and decimal 1, 2, 3. 3 place decimal is there. So 0.025. Now here you can see that minus 0.5 and plus 0.5. That will cut down there. So remaining 10 minus 0.025, that is equal to 9.975. So the answer of 1.05 into 9.5 is 9.975. Okay, this one is direct method. But our question is using identity. So let's see how could we use the identity. So here 1.05 is equal to 1 upon 10 into 10.5. Means if we divide 10.5 by 10, what we will get? Point will move left side, isn't it? So that is equal to 1.05. So we can write 1.05 as 1 upon 10 into 10.5. Clear? So we change, yeah, shift, yeah. We have changed the number like this. 1.05 is equal to 1 upon 10 into 10.5. Then into 9.5. Now you keep 1 upon 10 in every step. Now we are here distributing only the other two numbers, that is 10.5 into 9.5. So now we got nearest the 0 digit number, that is 10.5 is equal to 10 plus 0.5, 9.5 is equal to 10 minus 0.5. Means we got a plus b and a minus b. So our third identity we can use here, right? So a minus b into a plus b is equal to a square minus b square. So here 1 upon 10 into 10 square is a square minus 0.5 square, that is b square. So 1 upon 10 into 100 minus 0.25. So 1 upon 10 into 99.75, that is 100 minus 0.25. So if we are dividing by 10, the point will move left side. So we can put a point next one number. So answer should be 9.975. So the answer of 1.05 into 9.5 is 9.975. If the question is like this directly, if you want to do, then you can do in first method. If you are using identity, then you can solve it like a second method. Clear? Now, let's start our question number 7. Here using identity a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. Which identity? It's our third identity, right? A plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square, that is vice versa. So here first question, let's see. 51 square minus 49 square means 51 square, that is our a square, minus 49 square, that is our b square. So what is the formula? A square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. Means here a is 51 and b is 49. So we have to add together both the numbers and we have to subtract together both the numbers. Then after that multiply. So here 51 plus 49 into 51 minus 49. So if you are adding 51 plus 49, we will get 100. If you are subtracting 51 minus 49, we will get it 2. So what is the answer? 100 into 2. That is equal to 200. Therefore, the answer of 51 square minus 49 square is equal to 200. Now second one, 1.02 square minus 0.98 square. Here also a is 1.02 and b is 0.98. So a square minus b square, that is a plus b into a minus b. So add it together and subtract together. So 1.02 plus 0.98 into 1.02 minus 0.98. If we are adding 1.02 plus 0.98, we will get 2 into 1.0 minus 0.98, that is equal to 0.04. Now you can multiply 2 into 0.04. So the answer 2 4s are 8. Putting decimal 0.08. So the answer of 1.02 whole square minus 0.98 whole square is equal to 0.08. Now third one is 153 square minus 147 square. Here A is 153 and B is 147. Now add A plus B and then subtract A minus B. So 153 plus 147 into 153 minus 147. So here 153 plus 147 is 300. Then the difference is 6. So 300 into 6, 3 6 are 18, putting 2 0. So the answer will be 1800. So the answer of 153 square minus 147 square is equal to 1800. Now fourth one, 12.1 square minus 7.9 square. Here A is 12.1 and B is 7.9. So 12.1 plus 7.9 into 12.1 minus 7.9. So 12.1 plus 7.9 is equal to 20.0, means 20, into subtraction 12.1 minus 7.9 should be 4.2. Now we can multiply 20 into 4.2. So 2 into 42, that is equal to 84. So the answer of 12.1 square minus 7.9 square is equal to 84. Clear? Now, our last question. That is question number 8. Using x plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. Fourth identity. Okay. So first number 103 into 104. So first split the numbers. We can see the nearest 0 digit number, that is 100. 103 means 100 plus 3. 104 means 100 plus 4. Here we can see that one number is same, that is 100, that is our x. Then other two numbers are different, that is 3 and 4. So 3 is our a and 4 is our b. So now we can use the formula, the identity for, that is x plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. So here x is 100, a is 3 and b is 4. So 100 square plus 3 plus 4 into 100 plus 3 into 4. 100 square, 100, 2 zeros are there. So in the square, 4 zeros will come. So 10,000 plus 3 plus 4, that is 7. 7 into 100, that is 700. Plus 3 into 4, 12. Now we can add together all the numbers. So 10,000 plus 700 plus 12 is equal to 10,712. Now second question is 5.1 into 5.2. 5.1 can be written as 5 plus 0.1, right? Same way 5.2 can be written as 5 plus 0.2. So here what is x? X is 5. What is a? A is 0.1 and what is b? That is 0.2. So 5 square plus 0.1 plus 0.2 into 5 plus 0.1 into 0.2. So 5 square is 25. 0.1 plus 0.2, that is equal to 0.3. Now 0.3 into 5, that is 15, means 1.5 plus 0.1 into 0.2. 1 2 are 2, but putting decimal 1 plus 1 2 places. So 0.02. Now we can add 25 plus 1.5 plus 0.02. 25 plus 1, 26. 26.5 plus 0.02 is equal to 26.52. So the answer of 5.1 into 5.2 is equal to 26.52. Now third question. 103 into 98. The nearest number is 100, right? So 103 can be written as 100 plus 3. 98 can be written as 100 minus 3. So here x is 100, a is 3, b is minus 2. Okay. So 100 square plus 3 minus 2 into 100 plus 3 into minus 2. 100 square is 10,000 plus 3 minus 2, that is 1. 1 into 100, 100. Now plus into minus minus, 3 2 are 6, minus 6. So 10,000 plus 100, that is 10,100 minus 6 is equal to 10,094. So the answer of 103 into 98 is equal to 10,094. Now last question. 9.7 into 9.8. 9.7 can be written as 10 minus 0.3. 9.8 can be written as 10 minus 0.2. So here x is 10. A is minus 0.3. B is minus 0.2. So 10 square minus means both are negative sign. So we can put a minus sign and add it together. 0.3 plus 0.2 into 10 plus minus 0.3 into minus 0.2. So 10 square is 100. 3 plus 2, 5 means 0.5 into 10. So point will move right side. So 5. So minus 5 plus minus into minus plus 3 2 ja 6. 2 place decimal. So 0.06. So 100 minus 5, that is 95 plus 0.06 is equal to 95.06. Okay. So here we are winding up this session. Here we are completing question number 6, 7 and 8. Okay. So after that we can say that we have completed the chapter. So chapter 9 is completing here. So you have to note down all the questions in your notebook. Do it neatly and prepare well for the test. We can take the test in next session, next week. Okay. So thank you.